Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Cloudflare SSL certificate. Alright, let's begin. First, open your Cloudflare dashboard and select the domain you want to secure. This is the website where the SSL certificate will be applied. After selecting the domain, go to the SSL/TLS section from the main menu. Inside this section, click on Origin Server to manage Origin certificates. Now, click on Create Certificate to start the process. Choose the option where Cloudflare generates a private key and CSR automatically, as this is the easiest and most reliable method. Next, select the host names you want to secure, including your main domain and any subdomains or wildcard domains if required. After that, choose the certificate validity period, which can be set for several years to reduce renewal issues. Finally, select the PEM format and generate the certificate. Download the certificate and private key, then install them on your server. So that's basically how you can use Cloudflare SSL certificate. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.